Cabinet reshuffle. Guys, horrible news for me. Two of my favorites have gone from the BJP. Prakash Javadekar, who watches our show apparently. Oh, that's not the reason. And Ravi Shankar Prasad, who may also have watched our show from time to time. So, two charming guys gone. It's difficult for me to support the BJP if you don't have these two guys in. Which means I go back to my old party, the Parsi Sena. Coming soon. It's called The Week That Wasn't. And my friends, Uttarakhand is making us proud. The third CM in Uttarakhand in 4 months. 3 in 4. By that rate, every citizen of Uttarakhand would have become CM by the year 2097, December 2nd. I did the simple maths calculation, which I can do because of an algorithm I have behind. Pushkar Singh Dharmi is from Kumaon. Kumaon was previously famous for man-eaters. So he's the first man. I hope you didn't think I was trying to infer that he's a... No, I'm just saying there were man-eaters, tigers, and now he's the first famous man. Pushkar Singh Dharmi's first task is very clear. Last a full month in office. Now let's go back to Mumbai. Amir Khan and Kiran Rao divorced after 15 years of marriage. They called me, not happening. We want to end it. I said, okay, gave my blessing, done. Now this is now seen as a symbol of hope for those in long marriages. Yes, you can get divorced later on. There's always a happy ending. No pun intended. Okay, pun intended. According to latest research finding, bullshitting is an indication of good cognitive ability and intelligence. Thus proving my point, there are no dumb politicians. A new weight loss device which uses magnets to prevent people from opening their mouths has been developed by the University of Otago in New Zealand. It basically restricts the wearer to a liquid diet because of this stuff that keeps your mouth really tight and closed. So it's great for obesity, not so great for alcoholism. That's all you got. You can only open your mouth that much. Here's me acting it out. Alcoholism. Get small bottles. Russia, Iran and Indonesia are looking to be the next bad COVID hotspots. On the flip side, all three offer very cheap vacation deals at the moment. So go, folks, go. Sorry, I was just booking my one-way trip to Moscow. Coming back to the Sachin Vaze Anil Deshmukh case, if you want to prove they took hafta from hoteliers, simply check with hoteliers. Hafta, folks, is part of our work culture. Do you know, I have to pay the canteen wala hafta just to allow my coffee into the studio.
Coffee is not allowed. Okay, allowed. Then you can take 2 coffees, no chutta, 2 coffees.
A lot of people are asking, is that Ranveer Singh? And I have to say, it's Ranveer Singh, not Ranveer Singh. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Cabinet reshuffle, some in, some out. Madness in Maharashtra Assembly and an exclusive report from Euro 2020. Before we go into our top story, I want to just tell you and remind you the feeling of a reshuffle in cabinet, what it does when you rejig and destroy people's careers. One moment you have power, you own everything, and in 1 second bad news and it's all gone. It's exactly the feeling we had the day before we get married. Speaking for men only. I'm kidding, for everyone. All genders, even same gender marriages, which we encourage here. But let's go away from that to our top story. Modi reshuffles cabinet. By the way, I have Modi on my speed dial. Dr. Rustom Modi, not the Prime Minister, but I have it. In emergency, I call him immediately. It's on speed dial, it's number 1. 43 members were sworn in as union ministers as PM Narendra Modi reshuffled his Council of Ministers this week. Some like Ravi Shankar Prasad and Dr. Harshvardhan were shunted out, while some surprising names like ex-Shiv Sena, ex-Congress, ex-MSP, ex-here, there and everywhere, now BJP leader Narayan Rane were included. Joining us is alleged spokesperson for Narayan Rane, Naru1 Rane. Different person, please. Don't get upset. Mr. Naru1 Rane.
नमस्ते, हमको बहुत खुशी है कि तुमने हमको इधर बुलाया। बोलो, क्या प्रश्न पूछने का है?
Technically, I didn't call you. I didn't even know you were coming. This is done by our production team. But thanks for being here. Narayan Rane has been inducted into the Modi cabinet. Is it because of the battle for reservation that's going on in Maharashtra?
तो उसमें इतना आश्चर्यजनक बात क्या है? हमने आपका पूरा जिंदगी महाराष्ट्र में आरक्षण मतलब रिजर्वेशन के लिए झगड़ा है।
Stop there. झगड़ा?
मतलब फाइट फाइट इंग्लिश नहीं समझता है क्या?
No, I vaguely understand the language, but you have spent your whole life fighting for reservation in Maharashtra, right?
हाँ, महाराष्ट्र में मैंने मेरे लिए शिवसेना में एक सीट रिजर्व करने के लिए झगड़ा, फिर मैंने मेरे लिए कांग्रेस में एक सीट रिजर्व करने के लिए झगड़ा, फिर मैंने अपना खुद का पार्टी निकाला, फिर भी मेरे लिए किसी ने सीट रिजर्व नहीं किया। पूरा जिंदगी मैं झगड़ा है।
Not that kind of reservation.
चलो चलो आगे पूछो, क्या पूछने का है?
I'll attempt to go on with the interview. Do you think it was correct to sack Dr. Harshvardhan, our health minister and my personal friend?
मेरे को क्या मालूम? वैसा भी कौन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बनेगा, कौन इंटरनेट मिनिस्टर बनेगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है means? Internet minister?
वो रविशंकर प्रसाद था ना, गूगल, फेसबुक और ट्विटर का हैंडल कर रहा था ना।
Twitter? Kai? Twitter! Thanks, Raju. Twitter. So he was, let's get back to the Information Technology and Communications Minister and
हाँ, वही क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Narayan Rane has been given MSME. So what ministry did Rane hope to get?
कुछ भी चलेगा, इंटरनेट मिनिस्टर, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, जिधर भी कुछ कमाने को मिलेगा वो चलेगा।
Ignoring that answer, I'll carry on.
नहीं, काम करने को मिलेगा वो चलेगा। जैसा लॉ मिनिस्टर, क्यों है?
Law minister. You think, with due respect, Rane is qualified for law ministry?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Will he be able to handle a ministry like law or petroleum, natural gas, or say commerce and industry? I mean, these are heavy ones.
हैंडल, उसमें क्या हैंडल करने का है?
No, I'm just trying to say, don't you need some ability to handle such important ministries, some, capacity?
हैंडल करो या ना करो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
How can you keep saying, nahi, फर्क नहीं पड़ता? You can't keep saying that. How can you say that?
अरे कुछ हैंडल करने का जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इस गवर्नमेंट में सब मिनिस्ट्री पीएमओ ही हैंडल करेगा। चल जाओ यार, निको यार, खोटे चल निकले, उठो कावे।
Then what is your role? What is my role? Dear viewer, what is your role? Okay, ruckus and commotion in the Maharashtra Assembly. Lovely moments that we want to share with you. 12 BJP MLAs were suspended for a year. I'm sure they'll change that after a few days. From the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for using abusive language and misbehaving with the presiding officer. The MLAs not only created a commotion on the floor of the House, they also rushed into his chamber and allegedly abused and threatened him. Allegedly, the man leading from the front was ex-CM Devendra Fadnavis. But the video footage is doubtful. Joining us now is alleged spokesperson for the ex-CM, Mr. Devdas Fadnavis. Mr. Devdas Fadnavis.
देखिए, उद्धव जी ने कहा बीजेपी को छोड़ दो, सबने कहा पवार को छोड़ दो, पवार ने कहा मोदी जी को छोड़ दो, आज तुमने कहा विधानसभा छोड़ दो, एक दिन आएगा जब वो कहेंगे दुनिया छोड़ दो। सॉरी, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया। बीजेपी ने कहा बीजेपी को छोड़ दो, सबने कहा पवार को छोड़ दो, मोदी जी ने कहा पवार छोड़ दो, आज तुम कहा कांग्रेस छोड़ दो। एक दिन आएगा जब आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड, मैं कह रहा हूँ ये सब छोड़ दो। पूछो, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
No, I'll need a little break here after that. I can't just give you a question. Give me a breather. I mean, that was a lot. That was like Perth wicket. The ball was just bouncing in my face. I couldn't handle that. And I want to talk about the bad behavior in the House. I mean, come on. Abusive language, misbehavior, gundaism. I mean, senior leader like yourself, I've met you, we are friends. I mean, does this befit your stature, sir?
Understand what I am saying. What happened? What exactly happened? Nothing happened. We have followed all rules.
No, how can you say nothing happened? You know what? Let me show you what happened. You look and tell me.
Show.
Look at this.
मी देतो संधी तुम्ही जागेवर चला, मी संधी देतो. असताना राज्य
So what happened?
What is? Looks like you were just sitting there. You're not even trying to stop them when they're misbehaving. It's like bad parenting.
Of course, I was little busy following the rules.
Busy doing what? I mean, the BJP MLAs were creating a ruckus, misbehaving, physically intimidating, and you're not doing anything.
I was following the rules.
How is that following the rules, sir?
How can I follow the rules unless I read the rules first? So first I was reading the rules to see whether this kind of behavior was allowed or not. Then I was going to follow the rules.
Okay, one sec, I've got more. Look at this footage. You tell me what is happening here. Explain this.
Show.
No, explain it.
प्रत्येक गोष्ट झालेला आहे. मी तुम्हाला नेम करतोय.
What is the problem? I was just being respectful.
This is like a joke. Respectful talking on the phone while there's madness, commotion, pandemonium in the house. How is that respectful?
Yes, it is respectful. I was on phone paying my respects to High Command in Delhi and asking them what to do.
And what did High Command tell you?
They said have faith and carry on because we have protection from above.
God.
No, Governor.
Okay, I've got you on this one. You look at this one and you explain this. Have a look at this footage. Okay, tell me what is happening now, please.
प्रत्येक गोष्ट झालेला आहे.
I have read the whole rule book. There is nothing said in the rule book against attacking the chair.
It's not mentioned.
Against attacking the chair or the tables or the cupboards or the sideboard or any other furnitures.
Oh, so you can attack the wood, but not the dead wood. Just kidding. You know exactly what I mean, sir. Now, wait. I actually have some more footage because I have so much time. I can only watch this all day. The cricket was stopped. Too much rain. Football is over almost. Tell me whether this behavior is becoming of you, sir. Now, this honestly, forget the jokes. Look at this and tell me the truth. This is your party. This is what they are looking like. You tell me. नहीं sir, देखिए, I can see you clearly. Amidst all this craziness, there you were, very clear.
Yes. This is me. We are doing nothing disrespectful here.
What do you mean, nothing disrespectful?
It is just a small tribute to the Shiva Sena.
No, one second. You're pulling my leg now, and already I have pain in my calf, so don't do that, please. How is it a tribute to Shiv Sena?
What the Shiva Sena have been doing on the road for 55 years, we just did in the house.
It's 56. 56 years. 56 years of this and 16 years of us. We'll take a quick break and then we'll come back. In the meantime, folks, don't worry. COVID is not over when we come back. Welcome back to the week that wasn't, and I'm told off the record by my friends in the BJP that they are supporting England in the Euro Cup final. They just don't want Italians to win anything. So I don't know. This is what they're saying off the record. We don't have proof about all this. Speaking of the Euro finals, the question for the Euro finals is not who's going to win, but who's going to get COVID from the 60,000 fans at Wembley. I mean, has England learned nothing from the Kumbh Mela? We gave you that. That was our thing so that you understand what not to do. People with less clothing running around. No. Now look at the irony of Boris Johnson. He left the Euro Union, but he may be thrown out after the Euro Cup final. What Euro giveth, Euro taketh. Michael Kuruvilla is set to become the top cop in Brookfield, Illinois. So in America, a Malayali Indian can become the top cop, but in India, an Indian Italian can't become PM. And that's why they are supporting England in the final. Enough of that. Speaking of Malayalis, apparently the three words Malayali women have come to hate, and forgive my pronunciation, is Inna Pinne Anubhaviko. It basically means then you suffer. It's to do with not lodging complaints for domestic abuse suffered. You know, some women stay silent, so other women are saying that's ridiculous. You have to say this, otherwise you suffer and you deserve it. But I feel it's quite apt for viewing this show. You viewed the week that wasn't and Enna Pinne Anubhaviko. Then you suffer. This gesture is not vulgar. I just did it for some reason. I apologize. It means nothing. Okay. Heat wave in the north, now on the decline. The brutal heat wave that had swept through North India seems to have abated after a few welcome showers to start with. The Indian Meteorological Department has said that the monsoon will reach most parts of North India by this weekend, Gurgaon after that, and there will be a substantial drop in temperature. Let's go straight to the Indian Met Department and talk to the alleged in charge, Mr. Samar Tapman. Do not ask me how the hell a guy called Tapman gets this job. This happens, it's all true, no coincidences in our show. Mr. Samar Tapman, interesting name.
Anji, we are two brothers in the Tapman family. Myself the summer and my older brother the winter.
Older brother?
No, sorry, colder brother.
Colder brother. Yeah, wow. Okay, let's talk about the monsoon and the abatement of the heat wave in North India, sir.
Oji, it is good news indeed. We have just found out that the heat wave is about to end and the rains are about to come.
That's great. So the Indian Met Department has become quite high-tech and finally can predict the weather accurately.
Oji, yes, it is because of some of the latest equipment that we have procured.
Ah, lovely. I want to hear about this latest equipment. What kind, please?
We now have the brand new state-of-the-art cable and internet.
Cable and internet?
Anji, so we can watch the BBC and the weather channel and give you the accurate predictions.
I'm okay with that because they have a better record. So I appreciate that. Now about the heat wave.
Yes. Normally such high temperatures and the heat wave is the effect of the climate change.
Yes, of course. You mean global warming, the melting glaciers, the rising sea levels, the dying clouds, the forests.
What? Not at all. I am talking about the climate change.
No, one second. What climate change are you talking about?
Oji, December to February to cold. Is cold, very cold. Then February starts getting hot. From cold to hot, it's climate change.
No, I was talking about global warming, climate change, the environment, what everyone's talking about.
I am getting it. I am understanding exactly what you are talking about. See, after all, climate change is in our own hands. It is up to us to do what you can do for the climate change.
So what do you do for climate change?
Oji, I myself have been fighting for 10 years for climate change in our department. Finally, this year, I got the approval.
Meaning what? What exactly?
For several years, our whole department had no air conditioning. The heat wave. Climate used to be very hot. This year, we got the air conditioning fixed. Immediately, climate has changed in the office. It is much cooler.
I think I've heard this gag before on this same show. It's almost like a third time. Anyway, I'm going to give up.
Anyway, as I was saying, this rain is going to help the heat wave.
But this heat wave comes to India every year, doesn't it?
Oh, you are right. India is a country of waves.
We're a country of waves.
India is a country of waves. Last year we have the corona wave. Then this year we had the second corona wave. Then every year we have the heat wave. And after every 5 years we have the one more wave.
Which wave?
Modi wave.
Okay. I'm just wondering, your hairstyle seems to be pre-microwave.
ओ जी बाल की बात मत करो, खाल निकल रही है यहाँ पे.
Little one from our side just to change that feeling of pain and heat. Folks, we have a great section coming up. I mean, this is just great. We've reached it. The end of the Euro Cup. I mean, there was so much worry and fear about COVID, but they somehow managed. Hopefully nothing else will happen. We're on the cusp of that Italy versus England final. Who's going to win? We know which party is supporting what in India, but it's not politics, this is sports. So we have SK Mani interviewing FIFA over the Euro Championships. This is the two greatest sporting correspondents we could afford in our low budgets. Here.
Hello friends, it is with huge excitement that I present SK Mani Talks to FIFA.
Hey Baga, I thought you were SK Mani Baga.
I am SK Mani.
Then why the hell are you introducing SK Mani as some other fellow, man?
I am the other fellow.
Baga, let me do the intro, okay? Listen to me, little proper, okay? Now listen, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, now myself, FIFA, will chitty-chat with SK Mani, that bugger over there.
What are you doing?
That's an intro, bugger. That's how it's done, not what nonsense you did, man. You got to be a little friendly, man. Just loosen up, man. Let her do now. And smile a little bit. Now, what bloody rubbish you're doing, man?
I am confused.
Don't worry, bugger. I think I'll help you think clearly, okay? Here, see, do that, okay, after me, okay? Put one finger on nostril and breathe 13 times from other one. Right?
Okay.
Here, this is supposed to help you think clearly, okay? No, man, Bhagat. Don't put the finger in the nostril, man. Put it on top of like this, man, like this. Can't you hear what Bhagat covering your nose or your ear? What are you doing, man?
You are frightening me. I just need to ask you about Euro Championship.
Then bloody ask, man. Ask anything you want. Don't be frightened, eh? For fear you need to cover something else. But I can't say that, eh? It's too vulgar, yeah? You know what I'm talking about, no?
I am starting. Did you think having 60,000 spectators in Wembley is dangerous?
Jam, man. Only if they fall on top of one another, man. But European people don't sit so close like Indian people, nah.
I mean to say because of spread of COVID.
Arey bugger, there's no COVID in England, man. No COVID here. Look at me. Can you see COVID or what?
How do you know that?
I'm here now in England. Do I have COVID? See. Look inside. Your lungs are pretty fine. Bigger they have become over here in England, man.
I can't see anything.
This is a problem, man. Can't see, can't hear, can't close nostrils. Get yourself checked, bugger. I'm getting bloody worried for you, okay? Now ask me fast. I've got to shoot for my tube channel.
Tube, you mean YouTube channel.
No, man, you have one nut loose or what? My tube channel. It's my channel on the tube, man. You know, London Tube. How to reach other tube, which is the best tube, which tube to take to reach other tube. See, if you are in Piccadilly, you want to go to Bond Street now. Hey, I can't remember now. I just head is just gone on my head. But you just check out my tube channel now. Check it out, huh?
Okay, next question. Who is your player of the tournament?
Now that is a good question. See, best player, Jorginho, Busquets, Sterling, and take any Danish player.
Can you explain why any Danish player?
Really, bugger, you're too slow, man. I can't remember their names, you see. The brain now can take only so much, okay? I know all the bloody Spanish names, all the Italian names, and all the English names. No space for Denmark names.
It is not Denmark, it is Danish.
See, again, you pretty lost it, man. Danish is my cousin's husband. Danish Chambagwala, man.
Spain is Spanish, England is English, Denmark is Danish.
Then Italianish. Bugger, you drunk or what?
I will move on.
Okay, bye, bugger. I've got to go, man. I got to go, man, okay?
No, I mean move on to the next question.
More questions? How many, man? See, this is why Naomi Osaka doesn't want to be to press conferences now. Tell fast, come on.
Who will win Euro 2020?
No. Dad, you have to tell me.
Now I am confused. How can I tell you?
Because you are in India, man, bugger. India is 4.5 hours ahead of UK. So you'll know who won first. Then you can telephone me and tell me. See how clever I am, eh? What happened, man? What happened to you, bugger? Hey, bugger, what happened to you, man?
I need to take Combi Flam. It's too much.
Wait. Nothing. Take FENI. Take. Nothing will happen to you. Bas, that's it, man, bugger.
Yeah, you know, I just think that Combi Flam should sponsor our show. It just seems poetic and correct. Because you guys will need it, we need it sometimes participating in it, but definitely you need it. And obviously the guys who perform on this show definitely need it. So Combi Flam, I've talked to the owners of Combi, I don't know who, Mr. Flam, Mr. and Mrs. Flam, if you can just join us in the endeavor to make India a happier place by giving painkillers to everyone. Combi Flam, please note, we'll be at your mercy. Please, we really need it. For now, I'll take Crocin though, because I have it. Crocin hai na? ये टाई है, चड्डी नहीं है. उल्टा नहीं होता इसमें. Not, ये not नहीं है.
क्या चल रहा है? PMO ही हैंडल करता है क्या? No, I'll do this line again. Wait. Sorry, Denmark. I said Denmark. No, wait, I'll do this.
Vulgar.